Run, see how bumpy it is.
See the first right now, and then from there on it gets way worse.
Okay.
So I would definitely try to take off and get going fairly early.
Okay.
And I'll say, don't go all the way to the rocks.
No, I want to get away from it. I already know about that.
Hi, Mr. Plane. Plane says, I'm ready to fly.
Remember that shit?
Oh yeah, I'm ready to fly. Ooh.
What the fuck?
It's right here.
All right.
And like you say, you got a nice, you got a nice soft hill behind you.
Holding the tail and then I go full throttle.
Okay.
And let go.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, let's try it.
I'm nervous. I already crashed once.
Don't worry. No worrying.
Oh, hang on.
And not too much up. Don't over up.
Oh, it's already going up as it is right now.
Okay. There we go. Look at her fly.
Gyro.
And that was good, I think, holding the tail and letting her get going. That seemed that worked pretty good. Gosh, she's flying nice now.
Yeah, I had to go to the Spektrum real quick. Well, take my eyes off the plane for a little bit, you know. Pretty good.
Oh, she's flying good. And, you know, I think the gyro may be helping you a little bit there too. She steps into a corner good, nice and smooth. Nice looking airplane too.
Not too bad, huh?
Good plane, flying good.
Fire came. I'm glad I got it flying again.
That's right. Now it's
that thrust angle and everything fixed that problem.
well, we're gonna have to test it, but not when it's windy.
Nope.
You know what you need to do is just fly her and get comfortable today, and then when you come out with no wind, then you do that thrust angle from glide to power test. Right now, just fly. Let's not take any unnecessary chances. Yeah. I would stay at least 10 up.
Right. I just want to try to get a feel for coming in, you know.
Yeah, no, that looked good. You had a good angle.
I don't want to take too steep of an angle because that's when you come in real hot. I want to start way back there with a gradual descent, you know.
You know, if anything on this hill, what you want to do is come in and not have to go down. Just let the hill come up to the airplane.
Right. Start with the back flitter.
Right. Go farther out and see if you can attain just the level of the end of the hill of those rocks well out, and then see how well it maintains that height. There you go. That'll get you a longer time to line up. Okay. Right at the hilltop. Stay right on the top of the hill. A little windier that time.
Yeah, I wasn't going to touch the ground. I just wanted to do a run, you know.
Yep. And the thing is, you're going to be a little slower. The trick is to go as slow as you can safely.
Right. I don't want to go too slow and stall.
No, that's for sure.
But, I'm not going to drop the throttle until I'm ready to actually land. You know?
Right.
Because I don't want to have to try to recover right away because I don't have a rudder, and the gyro won't be effective for that part of it, you know.
That's right. So it's going to be tricky.
Yeah.
You know, and
I'm just gonna do a little, you know, pass.
Yep.
As we go. See if I can stay at level possibly.
So you don't have voltage sensing on this either, do you?
Oh, what do you mean?
Beeper?
Yeah, I do. I got the alarm on.
Okay, good. So we'll know when it's time. I'd say right there, right at the top of the hill, looks a perfect approach. Look at that. That'll be perfect. And then you would just cut your throttle and drift in.
Yep. And we got the headwind in front of us.
Yep. That's right. You have a dropout, you want it coming back. Because that thing could fly all the way to Half Moon Bay.
Sure. It needs to stick better now.
Yep, it's all about that. Just comfortable, you know, familiarity. Nothing replaces stick time. See, look at that. You dropped right to the perfect height there, just right off the bat. Oh, that would have been awesome. You'd have had it perfect. That's such a nice looking plane. You know, when it goes by at that distance, it's a good looking.
It's got the glide actually big time.
Yep. Just like the real plane, very forgiving.
I did not want to leave this park without flying the seat successfully. So I can't say nothing yet because I got to have a successful landing.
Yep.
So I can't be jinxing myself right now. Too hard and coming into the wind.
Yep, that's right. You don't want to get a drop or a flip.
Riding right now. Less dense there.
Yep.
We still got some push.
Yeah, it's still comfortable. It's not. I would say it's not 90-ish here. It's more like 80-ish.
Look at there's a plane. Right now.
Yep, sure can. Yeah, I'll move off the trail and out of the way so you'll have no obstructions. Perfect.